Welcome to this episode of Moonbats. I'm waiting for Corey to get parts for his wide glide. We need to fix it. He needs to fix it. I'm not doing anything. In the meantime, let's work on the sissy bar. Let's show you what I'm where. Yep. Alright, I came into the shop the other day to work on this sissy bar and I got distracted and set up the drill press. I've used it a million times without it being set up properly, but I guess that was the time. So I'll show you what I'm doing. I set up the sissy bar, like leaned it on with some clamps. These guys, this thing, clamped it onto here. It's gonna go in this hole right here. So what I did is I marked where it was at, so it's like here and here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole in two ends of this. This is gonna be the mounting bracket right here like this. It's gonna go like that, except I'm gonna cut it about this long where this line is. And then I'm going to notch it so it fits perfectly around, this is the same size as the sissy bar. So I'm gonna notch it so it fits perfectly around there, and then it comes up to a nice little thing, and then it's welded on, and voila, you got tabs. So let's start that. I did some major math science stuff here. I used this guy, found the middle, put a hole, put a mark, there's the middle. And these I just traced so I get an idea. These are just like rough outs right now. So I'm going to drill the holes first because if there's one thing I've learned about stainless is that you always drill the hole first and then work around that because it's a pain in the ass. I'm gonna sharpen this bit up. Maybe get some spray to put on here, something to make it actually some lube. All right, let's try this again. Got some lube. I don't know, it's just something. It's not WD-40. I sharpen the bit. I have like 75% success rate with sharpening bits. Let's see if this is gonna be one of the 25% that didn't work. If you overheat stainless, it doesn't like that. So you gotta make sure it's like good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. And I'm using 5/16 bolts on this to hold the sissy bar on. So yeah, 5/16. That's what I'm doing. I got this drill press on Marketplace. It was this like apartment building that was trying to clear out their basement, and it was $75. It was a solid deal. I put it. Went with my son, and we. Sorry, let me start that over. I went with my son, and we had to take it apart. And the only car I had at the time was my '74 Dart. And so we took the top off, put it in the back seat, and then just had the like platform base hanging out the back of the car. Or no, I put that in the car, and then the shaft was hanging out the back. I was riding on the rear bumps all the whole way home, but $75. So it was Simon's birthday the other day, and we came into the shop. I didn't film it because you don't have to film everything in your life. And his iron head has been weird since day one. He hasn't really ridden it because of that, but the steering was all hanging up. The bearings were binding for some reason. And it's a two-person job to really pull that front end off. I mean, you can do it as one person. I've done it, but it's sketchy. Jesus. Speaking of sketchy. And so there are three of us here. We'll pull the front end off, and I'll bring you in here and show you. This thing has these adapter cups on it to bring it from a 7/8 stem to a 1-inch stem. And so it's from iron head to just like literally everything else. And so when I looked in the inside of those cups, the bearing race wasn't seated right. So we pressed the bearing race in, and I think it's fixed. It leaks like crazy still. You can see. He cleaned it all up. It's been less than a week, and he's got some leaks. A big leak, one big leak. So he's got to figure that out. But in the meantime, bike works, probably, and this fork works. So let's get back to the sissy bar. I've got these two holes drilled, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut here and then copy it on this side, and then I'm gonna notch out where those lines are so something like this fits on it, and then I'm gonna weld it on, and then I'll shape it once it's welded on. So it's kind of like that. Imagine this is the whole end of the sissy bar, but it's giving me for sizing and everything. So let's go. Oh yeah, there we go. All right. Let's just. There. Look at all that cutting I just saved. Cutting time. And then what you gotta do is you gotta get a grinding wheel that'll fit, and you just all the way down. All right, so this is how far I got. This is gonna fit in here to give you an idea of what we're doing. But I'm done. Corey's here. See him? So we're gonna go get some parts. Bye. Smash it open. Parts store is closed, so now we're gonna open Corey's box. What's in the box?
What's in the box?
What's in the box? I don't know. What do you think is in the box? Maybe you can guess. Figure it out.
We got a crowbar here.
A crowbar?
Open this bitch up.
We got some hammers.
We can just fucking rat pack it until it opens.
I mean, we can do that too. That's also fun.
Don't bro.
It's not gonna break.
There's enough homies down here, Will. They always break.
The homies? Corey and I went and picked this box up during a snowstorm. Was it a snowstorm? Yeah.
No, it was -40.
Oh yeah, it was -40 outside. The motorcycle moving was in the snowstorm. This was just -40.
It was a car flipped over on the highway, so it took 4 hours.
Oh yeah. There's a lot of things that happen in Montreal all the time. And while Corey's doing this, I'm eating. I think I spend more time eating here than I do actually doing work. But in the meantime, here's Corey. Oh, hey, it's a box, and it's upside down. Why is it upside down?
We just hucked
No, but it's upside down. What, like? What the fuck?
we flipped it over.
No, but it gets picked up from the forklift.
Sure.
Why would they pack it upside down? What's in the box? Let's see. Oh, there we go. There it is. What's in the box? What is it still? It looks like a lift, because that's what it is. Corey got all the tabs. All right, Corey got all the tabs lifted up. He's gonna, what's in the box? Hey, Corey, what's in the box?
Oh!
What's in the box?
Nice. Should we try that other one? Could just slide it out. There's not enough room.
We're just gonna pick it up. We're gonna
Well,
stand
this-
it up
I
and
can
slide it
take this
over,
off.
pop it over. All right, I'm gonna put this phone on a tripod.
Let's just flip this bitch on the side.
Yeah, flip it on its side. We just gotta make sure not to hit your bike. This is the tripod I'm using, everybody. If you want to give me a tripod, that'd be pretty sick. You gotta hold a phone. I use a phone. What? I don't know what people do. Anyways, I had phone tried. This works. It's worked for so far. You got a rag with your box?
No, that's my rag.
I know it's your rag.
I put it in there.
You put it in your box. Oh my god. So we moved this by ourselves. It's like 450 pounds, right? I think that's what the shipping weight was.
Some leverage on this thing.
Just see what happens. If it falls, it falls. 1, 2, up. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, that's gonna come. So let's hold on to it. Let's slide it back.
I hit something. Oh, hit a lip. Alright, it's easy. Just slowly put it down.
Fuck, this thing's heavy.
Just hold it from the table.
Is it gonna drop?
No, probably not.
Is the cylinder like hooked up?
Yeah, go. Just slow it down.
Yeah.
We're good. Hot damn! We got a box. All right. I think I'm gonna end the video right now.
Ain't doing no work today.
Nothing's happening.
The rockers ain't coming off.
Nothing's. What are you gonna do here?
Nothing. We're gonna play in this box for a while.
All right. Like, subscribe. That's the end of the video.